Are you tired of spending hours individually texting your real estate leads? There's a better way. Today, I'm going to show you how to send mass text messages in Follow-Up Boss, saving you time and getting you more engagement. Let's dive in. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account and navigate to the People section. This is where your contacts live. The key to mass texting is segmentation, so use the powerful filters to narrow down your audience. You can filter by stage, source, tags, or any other criteria you use to organize your contacts. For example, let's say you want to text all your hot leads who are interested in new construction. Set those filters accordingly. Once your list is filtered, select the contacts you want to message. You can either select all contacts on the page or individually check the boxes next to each name. After selecting your contacts, click the Send SMS button, usually found at the top of the contact list. This will open the mass texting window. Now, it's time to compose your message. Keep it concise, personalized, and include a clear call to action. Utilize the personalization options to insert things like the contact's first name, making the message feel more personal. You can also schedule your mass text to be sent at a later time. This is great for timing your messages for maximum impact. Once you're happy with your message and your send time, simply click the Send button. And that's it. You've successfully sent a mass text message in Follow-Up Boss. Start connecting with your leads more efficiently today.